Lots of fire this video. Do keep watching because we fired up our Horno Antiguo and baked pizza and bread in it. I know I promised updates on Petra's workshop, but not much had happened there yet. But we did help at the ATV cross that our friend organized. We were frying the calamares and croquetas, while next to us the alla azteca was made. Roasted pork ribs on stakes around a fire. The chickens are still doing well, laying more eggs than we normally eat. One of them seemed broody for a while, but she left her nest anyways. The rooster is lately a bit aggressive, but he will be soup soon. Some of the current chickens are his offspring, so he needs to be replaced. One of the reasons the broody chicken might have abandoned her mission is that the weather was terrible. We had everything, sunny days where it felt like spring, but also a bit of snow, strong winds, thunderstorms and hail. Pablín is doing so much better than when we just got him. He was scared of everything, the dark, owls, sticks and cars. He's still afraid of cars though, and he does not want to go in the living spaces of the house, so he lives in the hallway and outside. For about a week our friend Marcel was here to help us out. Our wonderful workawayers left after being here for over 2 months. We finally fired up our antique bakehouse. First just a test run, the second time we also baked bread and pizza in it. The bread took several attempts to get a good one out of the oven, but the pizza turned out perfect. These are the first breads I've put in, but they had blowout. Too much pressure from within the dough that did not manage to escape through the scores I made. They melted into each other and most of the insides oozed out. but this one turned out really well. I forgot to take more video of the pizza, so here are some photos of the Pizza Napolitana we made. When I have all my equipment in place in the kitchen, I will make both a bread and a pizza video, not only showing more of the oven, but also as a bit of an how-to video for bread and pizza. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.